Today we are going to be talking about 8 toxic habits that are blocking your success. Before we get started, leave a like and subscribe to see more content like this. 1. Whining. The more negativity you spread, the worse you feel and the worse you make everyone around you feel. Nothing good comes from constant complaining. Then to fix this, you have to focus on the positive things around you. You will feel more positive and so will everyone else. 2. Saying yes to everything. Saying yes to things that are important to others and no to things that are important to you. You have to start being selfish with some of your goals to be able to achieve them. Putting yourself first is sometimes the best way to do that. To fix the issue, you have to remember that no is a perfectly valid answer. When you feel something is a no, have the guts to express it. 3. Comparison. Comparison makes you miserable. You will feel insecure by comparing your behind the scenes with everyone else's achievements. Meanwhile, you're not focusing on the small, minor progress that you are making. To fix this issue, you have to focus on what you have and where you want to get to with your goals. They have to align. Compare yourself with who you were yesterday and a year ago. 4. Accepting negativity. You will never improve once you accept the harsh things said by people. Most people point out your weaknesses to keep you where you are. But you should never let that hold you down, and you shouldn't allow that negativity to get the best of you. You have to overcome all the self-pity and realize you need to believe in yourself. You are the only one who knows what you are capable of. Distance yourself if you need to. 5. Only talking, not doing. Please don't fall into the classic trap of saying you're going to do something but never following through with it. As per psychology, once you share your plan, there is less chance that you will achieve it. It seems true. People love to kill your ideas. Just keep on working and let the results speak for themselves. Stop talking until you finish something. 6. Making excuses. Don't fool yourself by making excuses. Excuses are the reasons for 99% of failures. Remember, taking a chance to do things is a lot better than the feeling of regret. 7. Thinking the worst. Constant worrying is just as bad as complaining and spreading negativity. It drags you down. Be an optimist. Allow yourself to see the good times. Think about, what if I fly instead of what if I fall? 8. Consuming mental junk food. You don't need reality TV, gossip columns, or sitcoms in your life. You become what you consume. Consume with intention. You could choose better activities you could spend your valuable time on.